Race number 8, Sierra Marie Avalos Foundation, Marho Daisy Sete Trophy Race. The favorite, Amsterdam Flag Bearer. Also Salim Musashi, Jaden Diamond. All set, ready to race. And the race on Kaligatan from the outside, Amsterdam, Jaden Diamond, Thunder Ribbon. Jaden Diamond, the leader, followed by Kaligatan in second. Amsterdam is racing in third for Thunder Ribbon Flag Bearer. Musashi is racing sixth by about 2 lengths. General Dugo. And entry number 1, Yay! Askade is bring up the rear. Kaligatan, Jaden Diamond fighting it out for the lead. Amsterdam racing third by about 2 lengths. Moving up by the Rally's Flag Bearer. Thunder Ribbon, Musashi. And rounding the far turn, Jaden Diamond, Kaligatan, Flag Bearer, Amsterdam, Thunder Ribbon. As they race the last 500, the lead is taken over now by Flag Bearer, followed by Amsterdam, Jaden Diamond, Thunder Ribbon moving up by Doral, racing towards the last 200. Flag Bearer, Thunder Ribbon moving up by Doral. Thunder Ribbon, the leader. Flag Bearer, Amsterdam. Last 100 meters more to run. Thunder Ribbon with R.G. Fernandez by about 3 lengths. And finally, Thunder Ribbon. Flag Bearer, Amsterdam, Jaden Diamond, Musashi, General Dugo, Kaligatan, and Yay! Alskude!